ऐसे 16 लाख बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं इंडिया में. अगर you are not specializing into any domain, then how do you make yourself stand out? We don't want you to blindly choose one specialization on day one जो आपके दोस्त ने ली है. So specialization is an avenue for you to specialize and become more eligible than the next person for that job that you are seeking to achieve.
Hi everyone, I'm Shraddha, your host for the evening, and today we have a very fantastic speakers with us. Arpit Sarda, he is an IIM Kozhikode alumnus. How this dual specialization helps student in today's job market?
We very empathetically acknowledge the fact that our students who are joining us today, they don't know a lot about computer science, right? That's one problem with deciding on one specialization right on day one. Let's talk about second one. There is no specialization whatsoever. There is a BTech computer science program and it's a generic computer science program. There is no specialization whatsoever. Then problem is, how do you differentiate yourself? There are 60 students who are studying in your classroom, but ऐसे 16 लाख बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं इंडिया में. अगर you are not specializing into any domain, then how do you make yourself stand out? You are just one amongst many, right? तो बहुत simply इन दोनों ही approaches में, these are both bad approaches. You have to get a certain exposure into computer science first and then decide क्या करना है लाइफ में, क्या specialization करनी है, क्या domain choose करना है. That is the reason why Sunstone Select program gives you the option to choose two specialization, but we don't want you to choose any specializations when you enter. You have to choose the specialization in your third year. In year 1 and 2, which are the two formative years, you study the base of computer science education. कि यार होता क्या है, OOPS क्या होती है, Java क्या होता है, C क्या होता है, DSA क्या है, DA क्या है, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, MySQL कैसे सीखता है, ये सब सीखते हो आप पहले, which creates the fundamental base of programming in computer science. इसको करने के बाद आप एक internship भी करके आते हो ताकि whatever you have learned, you can at least practice that in the industry. And once you come back from the internship, that is the time you decide अब मुझे future में क्या करना है. That is what we want you to take. We don't want you to blindly choose one specialization on day one जो आपके दोस्त ने ली है या आपके बड़े भाई ने ली थी या फिर आपके किसी cousin ने बोल दिया था. That is not how decision should be taken. You should decide it for yourself as an informed decision. So आपको dual specialization मिलती है in third year. And why dual? Because we really don't want to restrict you in one specialization. बहुत simple answer है इसका. Specialization really helps you in putting yourself in a specific domain, in a specific niche, right? अगर मैंने एक साइबर सिक्योरिटी स्पेशलाइजेशन ली है एंड ऑन द प्लेसमेंट डेट एक कंपनी आती है जिसको साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट की जरूरत है, you who has taken a cyber security specialization versus someone else who has done a generic computer science or has done specialization in data science, who do you think is more likely to get selected by that company? Somebody who has exposure in cyber security, right? Similarly, if you have taken product management, if a company is looking for a product head or a product manager, they are more likely to go towards that. So specialization is an avenue for you to specialize and become more eligible than the next person for that job that you are seeking to achieve. How do we ensure that these specialization really helps you get a better job, which is the fundamental aim of this program, is by adding a layer of management minor on top of it. Why we do it is because of one very simple reason. We aspire and we train our students ताकि वो better placements crack कर पाएं. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, आज भी इंडिया में 8 लाख प्लस की जॉब लगने वाले कैंडिडेट सिर्फ 2% है. We really want all of our students to be at least in these top 2%. हमारा पूरा बैच इस टॉप 2% में होना चाहिए. ये मेहनत हम करते हैं. हम चाहते हैं हमारे बच्चे भी वही मेहनत हमारे साथ करें. Right? Management minor, how it helps you is it gives you an option to choose a particular domain between finance, HR, marketing. It's like a mini MBA. It really helps you कि आप basic entry level job नहीं, आप उससे एक level ऊपर start करते हो. आप product manager की तरह start करते हो, quality analyst की तरह नहीं. Let me put it that way. These are the fundamental differences. And this program with 2 tech specialization and 1 management minor has really been designed in a way that helps you get access to those better opportunities and prepare you enough that you have the right skills to crack these opportunities as well. I think that is how BTech Select is very niche, very separate program, and the concept of 2 specialization and 1 management minor really helps you get the best out of this program.